Hey, foodie lovers. Welcome back today to our day 2. And in today 2, we'll be having a detox again, a green smoothie. Guys, stay with me.
Turn the oven on, it's time to glow. Sprinkle a dream where the flavors flow. Grab your apron, let the magic start. Food loves the kitchen that melts the heart. Foodluv, we're cooking up a storm. Sizzle and spice, taking every form. Taste the passion, taste the fire. Food loves where flavor inspires.
Hey, let me clap for you guys. Let me clap for you. Today is day 2, guys. Just dive. Let's not waste time. Let's dive into day 2. Why we make our green detox to flush out everything before we can start with our recipes of eating healthy and creating a habit of eating healthy, guys. My spinach is already washed, and don't forget to wash your spinach. It's very important. It's already washed. I'll put it on the side here, and I already washed this also. I'll put it on the side here. Whilst I will just wash the remaining. Let's go, guys. Apple have been washed, and our lemon, don't forget to wash them, because you can use a zane to actually wash them, but I don't have it home, so you have to really wash them really properly. That's very important. Now we're going to wash our cucumber. Let me try it today if I'll get it. Just see. Look at it. You see, I'm still missing it. You understand? We will get there. One day I must catch it. Broccoli, before I wash it, I like chopping it before washing it, so just be with me whilst we do that fast. I love broccoli. I don't know if you love broccoli. I always like to put it in something in my salad. I'll try to show you that recipe. If you're someone that don't love broccoli, you can also do it the way I normally do it, and you can love it. One thing I love about it is the benefit that it has. It's so amazing. So we always parsley, so we call it peterselie in Netherlands. A parsley, if I'm missing it, guys, you correct me. I'm telling you, the English, the Netherlands is really confusing me. But guys, this is what we are going to do. We cut some of this one. I'm going to be cutting some of it. I'm using it with the stick or the stem. I'm going to be using it with the stem. That's why we are going to be washing it very good. I'm not peeling it off because it's all of the benefits that I need. I love walking and cleaning. So once you've done that, you try always to clean the place where you are using. Try to just adjust it and make it a little bit decent. It's very important when you are walking and you are at the same time cleaning. That's so important to do, guys. Don't say I'm waiting till I finish to cook. That's not an ideal something to do. I really don't love it. Now we come again with another tissue. Now our table is clean. And our board, we have to wash it again. Our board is clean. Everything is clean. So now, we are missing something, guys. Our amazing butchie mix. No. Our ninja. See what I'm doing today. Actually, you don't have a size you chop it. Just chop it according to the blender that you are using. So I'm just chopping mine the way I feel like. It's not like a dicing thing or whatever. You just, because all your fruits have been washed, you will just take your cucumber and put it inside, remove the lemon from it, and keep a space. It's all. If you have a good blender, guys, like mine, you can just chop it anyhow you want it. But if your blender is not good, don't cut it too big. Don't cut it to blender. About to smash it for the summer and stay like that. Not after the summer and you go back to your normal routine that you are doing, guys. Please. Guys, you know the last time we are fighting with this ninja machine how to fix it. Today we'll get it right, okay? See? So you just put it like this. You make sure it sits on its right position. I was fighting with it. Actually, you don't need to fight. It's very easy. And you just give it a click and you will hear the click. That's it. That's the sound. And to open it, you just press. There is a release button up there. You press it like this. You see? And now you hold it. Oh my God, these people are amazing. You just remove it like that. And now we are going to be adding, I'll add first my broccoli. I think I make the broccoli too big. You can cut it like this. Make it a little bit lesser. And I'm going to use my salad leaf. I'm going to be adding my water. You can add as, because I'm going to make a lot of it. And I'll add my petersilie or my parsley, as you say it in English, because I want to have first a blend before I can. So close it. It's very easy. You just hold it right from the top here, and it's always working with a sound, a click like this. Once you put it like this, then, but if you start the machine and it's not working, that's to tell you that there's something that is wrong, that you have connected that is not right, guys. So now I'm going to on it. My system was off. I didn't connect it. So now I put it on. Automatically, as you put this set of it, because they are it came with a different set. When you put this one, it will tell you directly on the system. I want to turn it, but I don't really want to. Let me show you guys something, what I'm saying. Don't mind me. No, I told you this thing, we are going to do it together. We are going to be doing it together. I don't leave you guys at the back at all. When you put it on like this, it will tell you blend or mix blend. So you choose what you want. And when you finish choosing it, you can show the speed, how much you want to do it. So I will just choose blend. When you just choose blend like that, the motor will get like started. I'm going to stop it now. I just want to explain something to you. Then you can, the speed, it depends on how fast or how smooth you want it also. Then if you want it medium, high, and plus, that's super. It's going to give you exactly what you want. That's one thing I love about them. If you want it to be a little bit rough, you press what you want low. And if you want it really faster and want it within a minute, then it will happen. So we are going to continue by adding still our ingredients in it. I'll press the press button and I will take it off. So now I'm going to be adding my apple inside of it. Add as much as I can first. While I go grab a container, because this is a lot. I've not even done yet my spinach, or my spinach as you guys called it. We're going to be learning the Dutch and the English together, guys. I'm still going. It's a very big container, so I'm going to be adding a lot inside, so we can just do fast. The same way you close it, and then the light will come on. If it's not good, then it will not start. So now I'm going to be using the high. Stop. I just want to show you so you can know really how to use it. Then we are going to try the plus and see what will happen. Okay, but first of all, let me see what is going on inside. I think I need a spoon. I'll use the apple to just, I think I overfilled it up. Okay, we still go like this. And here the click, and now we are going to try the plus. See, the plus is giving like stop. Maybe it's because I didn't press the blend, and then okay. Let's try and see. I don't know why. Guys, it's done. You see, it's a lot. Like I said, it's a lot.
Turn the oven on, it's time to glow.
Just turn it
Sprinkle
into
a dream where the flavors
shift it
flow.
later.
Grab your apron, let the magic start. Food loves the kitchen that melts the heart. Foodluv, we're cooking up a storm. Sizzle and spice taking every form. Taste the passion, taste the fire. Foodluv's where flavor inspires. Chop up the onion, don't shed a tear. Cooking's our stage and we own it here. Butter melting while the pan's in sync. Food loves the recipe that makes you think. Foodluv, we're cooking up a storm. Sizzle and spice.
The spring of the machine in your front side, not your front facing the camera right now. Then suppose it is just like going to your left. Also, please come to your right and just remove it like that. It's finished. Release button. You remove it. Everything's washing down. What's that something I lost when you're pouring something? You don't really mess. Oh my god. I can't wait. Okay, guys. I just noticed that I don't have sheets at home,
Turn the oven on,
but
it's
I'm not
time
going to
to
stop
glow.
myself with that. You're gonna use
Sprinkle a dream where the
Use
flavors
whatever thing
flow.
you have, guys.
Grab your apron, let the magic start. Food loves the kitchen that melts the heart. Foodluv, we're cooking up a storm. Sizzle and spice taking every form. Taste the passion, taste the fire. Foodluv's where flavor inspires. Chop up the onion, don't shed a tear. Cooking's our stage and we own it here. Butter melting while the pan's in sync. Food loves the recipe that makes you think.